start answer here. A while back, I decided, wouldn't it be fun to do a recipe book of all my son's favorite recipes when he was growing up and give it to him now that he's an adult? But I wanted to do something a little different. I thought I wanted to include photos of him for the few meals we did have that we have recipes for. So what better way than to do a 12 by 12 scrapbook of the recipes so I could include the photos. So this is a slideshow of that recipe book, and it has interactives, it has shakers, and it has pouches at each section. There's a page with a pouch, and that's to put further recipes in that he can then add to and pass on to his kids if he ever has them, or family members or whatever. Anyway, it's a fun idea. Feel free to borrow any of the layouts and use them for your own. Some of them are from kits I bought at Scrapbook Expos, but most of them just fun ideas that I took from card classes of all things. Anyway, hope you enjoy, and it's a great gift for newlyweds, family members, like I said, your own kids. Just a great way to keep those family recipes going. Some of the recipes in this book are 3 generations old. So have a great time and hope you enjoy. Bye.